Hi everyone, I'm Mami Fel. I have two kids, 6 and 9 years old, attended in BrainFit program, and their name is Antoinette and Zoe Braille Moreno. Para sa akin as a mom, yung BrainFit program na benefit sa mga anak ko, na-improve talaga yung listening, yung focus, yung motor, tsaka yung emotions. Every time na umuuwi yung mga anak ko from BrainFit program, I can see that there is a happy hormones. Excited sila to tell me yung mga activities na ginagawa nila doon. And I'm so very happy na they are enjoying and they start to loving it. And doon ko nakikita na yung parang improvement sa youngest and eldest ko. Especially, they can easily manage their emotions and talagang nakakatulong talaga sa self-esteem ng isang tao.